Nana? Lights, camera, action.
This is my poem that I wrote about a plant and the ants. It's a ant-eating plant, so can I read it to you in English before I read it to you in dog?
Definitely.
Okay, camera. Plant eat the ant before the ant eat the plant. And in dog, it is woof, waff, woof, waff, waff, whiff, woof, waff, 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 woof, woof.
You sure you read that correctly?
Yes.
Very nice. What kind of ant-eating plant do you have?
Well, it also tries to eat us. When I put my finger in one of its mouths, it closed.
Did that freak you out?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Is it a Venus flytrap?
Yeah, and I wish it wasn't alive.
Well, then it couldn't catch the ants.
Well, I wish it didn't eat me.
It's not going to get up and walk into your room and eat you. You just stuck your finger and you were shocked when it closed on your finger.
Don't you dare start talking about that.
Why not?
I do not want you to. That's why.
Okay. Thanks for the poetry reading.
Hey, no, movie has to be 1,000 years.